An exposition I just saw in the entrance of the park. It was about an artist that I will put you the name in it and give some picture I thought of the exposition. The artist was talking about in his art about the interconnectivity of things, how things are related, and he represented it by geometrical lines, connection between them, and interactions. And his, for me, the masterpiece was a little garden where different kind of flower was put together under the same light, and he called that parallel worlds. The artist represent multiple flowers under the same light, and there was a light game where there was under dark lights, like the lights of the star of the universe, and then the sun comes and they are under the light of the sun, and it's like nighttime and the daytime. And he interpreted those different flowers as different worlds who are in cohabitation, who are together under the same light in the same universe. The parallel universe in science is actually theory based on the high potential of the thing that we don't understand, the unknown, in reality. And for a long time, this infinite possibilities has been thought to be linked in thinking, the possibility that thoughts, the ability to think, gave to people. For a long time, we feel superior to other organisms, to even other human beings, because we have a little bit complicated mind. Our mind creates a world inside us. And this world in itself, which is parallel in each of us, which means they are somehow similar but not attached. They are detached but so similar. They go together. They can be divergence. Your mind can move that way and mine that way, but they are similar and goes on parallel, and we come into interaction and we move away with everything. That may be a tree, a human being, another one, an animal, a human being, come to connection and goes away. And that's how everything's work, in connection in each other. And also the possibilities, the unlimited possibilities lie there into the interaction between living things that are themselves a world in one reality. That we live in all in one universe. There is one universe, one reality, one existence. And in this existence, there are pockets of existence that interact. And from that interaction, we have new possibilities, new evolution. There is something beyond all living beings, and it's life itself. And we are all living in this reality. And we seems not really grasp it in its totality. Unfortunately, we destroy our planet, our ecosystem, and we crush other organism that relies on. Actually, we can't live, for example, if there is no bees. If there are one element that miss from an ecosystem, it's changed completely. It can be destroyed and rebuilt itself somehow. But human beings has become such a dangerous element for the world, for reality, that they are in a point where they can destroy this reality for the sake of this small, limited reality in their head, the world in their head. For its sake, they are able to destroy everything that make them alive. They destroy their planets, water, air. So it seems to me that we need a new insight, not only in the scientific world, but also socially and spiritually. Instead of destroying the living things, we need to understand them, to understand ourselves better. So understanding our environment, to understand ourselves better, to come to an unified vision, so we can help nature, we can help the world, we can help the other human beings. We can change this world for a better place, which is worth living, friends. In a resume, I tell you, we are multiple existing living organisms that are under the same circumstance of reality, which is one, which is immeasurable, which is experienced in now and the present moment.